Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from Doubly linked list, and which is you need to remove duplicate elements from a sorted DLL. Okay, so you would be given one linked list. Let's say 1, 2, 2, 3, okay, and then 3, and then 4. Let's say this is your Doubly linked list, okay, which is pointing both the sides. It has previous and next pointers. Okay, this one is your head. So now you need to remove duplicate. So for example, this 2 coming 2 times, right? So you just remove this 2. This 3 coming 3 times, 2 times, so remove 1 3. Okay, and this is sorted, so you don't need to check anywhere else. Just check the next element and then adjust the pointer. That's it. That is what you need to do. Okay, so how we will do it? See, initially you check if head is equal to null, then just return null. Okay, linked list is empty. Now current equal to head, so current will point to head. Okay, and then you traverse linked list through this current. If your current ka data, see, current is not equal to null or current next is not equal to null. Okay, so this is for the traversing of the linked list while condition. Now current data is equal to current next data. So for example, right now if you check here, current data equal to current next data, no, condition false. Okay, so you just do current equal to current next. So now current will come here. Okay, now check current data equal to current ka next data, yes, condition true. So what you will do, if it is there, then you just take current ka next means this one. Okay, this one you mark it as duplicate first. Okay, so duplicate will point to this node. Now current next equal to duplicate ka next. Okay, so current next means you need to break this link, right? So current next equal to duplicate ka next. So you change this name, this link. So whenever you remove any element from DLL, you need to adjust 2 pointers, next and previous. So next to we adjusted it. Now we need to adjust this duplicate ka next ka previous also, right? So duplicate ka next is not equal to null. If it is, then duplicate next previous equal to current. So means duplicate ka next means this one, its previous means this one, okay, equal to current. So it will point to this one instead of this. So now this link, these links are not there. Okay, then after that this is current. Okay, so this duplicate is not there. Now you can remove it. Now what you will do next, current equal to current ka next. So current will become this one. Okay, current will become this one. Now again current ka next is duplicate, so this one will point to duplicate, will point to this one. Current ka next is duplicate ka next, and duplicate ka next ka previous is equal to current. Okay, and then current equal to current ka next, so current will come here. Then current ka next is equal to null, so it will come out from this while loop. Okay, and then it will return head. So this 3 will also not be there. So your linked list will be, Doubly linked list will be something like this: 1 2 3 and 4. So that's it. Thank you.